I'm very interested in the hotel market.
Okay.
I think the budget sector is growing and growing within the Netherlands, and it should be growing faster. And those are big opportunities lying in front of us. So I wouldn't spend the whole 500, but at least half of it, because it makes good returns.
In hotels?
In hotels.
Yep.
The other 250, well, I'm always a bit cautious in some ways. I would look at core residential and core retail assets.
Okay. In specific locations, do you want to be more specific than?
I would look at for retail in the top 20 cities, and for residential in the Randstad region, Eindhoven, Den Bosch, Nijmegen, Arnhem. And I think that would cover it a bit.
Okay, great, thank you. 500 million, yes.
A lot of money.
Yes.
If you're going to invest in prime offices, you need very deep pockets. 500 million is not enough.
I've done my best. Yeah.
If you're going to invest in prime retail, well, retail is a collector's item nowadays. So I put my money into residential, half of it. Let's say 300 million. 300 million goes to residential. To my opinion, it has a great future for the reasons which already has been mentioned. The other 200 million is going to care properties. Properties focused on the elderly people who need some support in the care sector.
And in terms of locations, would there be, is the residential, would you choose specific cities, or is that just across the Netherlands?
Well, there is some focus, but there are a lot of cities in which we can invest. It's of course the Randstad, but also what we call in the Netherlands the Brabantse Stederij, but also the major cities in the north of the Netherlands. So the major cities are, well, we are comfortable with that.
Okay, great, thank you. Jeppe.
I would buy modern, well-let, larger offices in the top 50 locations of the Netherlands, which are mostly locations in the Randstad area and a few locations on the A2 axis.
Great, thank you. Heino, 500 million.
Yeah, I would invest 1 billion in Maltese pipeline. That's of course the first thing I should do. No, but to be serious, and good for the distinction between the other guests, I would invest in retail, mixed-use retail projects in inner cities, because I think of all the retail, of all the real estate categories there are, these will be the most future-proof investments you can make.
I will follow the list of Jules he gave in the beginning. I think overall that's a good analysis of the market, and I hope it will be available for me to buy for those cap rates and to buy that portfolio.